Bhavjot hails from a small town called Nagaon in Assam, and her family had to go through hell because of our broken healthcare system. So her father was diagnosed with diabetes, and because of the failure of primary care, he was not able to manage his condition. So he developed renal failure. The family had to take him to Apollo Chennai, where they spent almost 8 months, and he had to undergo 2 transplants. The family was financially devastated, but they could not even save him. And this is not just her story. There are millions of stories like this that you hear. And now that as a country we have launched Ayushman Bharat, which is the largest health protection scheme in the world, where we are purporting to cover 500 million people. But did you know that despite this, there is a huge gap in the market where 600 million people still don't have any form of financial protection or no reliable primary care. And serving them presents a multi-billion-dollar business opportunity. Who is our customer? So this is Yatish. He drives a cab for Ola, and he is someone who's going through the grind every day. He's spending 10, 12 hours a day, day after day, every day just to make ends meet. And every time he has a health issue, or someone at his home has a health issue, what it means for him is that he takes a day off, goes to a hospital, which is most likely to be a Sarkari hospital, where he spends 2-3 hours waiting, after which a Bade Doctor Saab comes, sees him for just 2 minutes, and then it's done. So this is not the ideal experience for anyone to have, let alone Yatish. Now that he becomes our subscriber, he can simply pick up his phone, speak to a family doctor, discuss his health issues, whether it's his backache that he's getting because of long hours of driving, or his kid caught the flu because the weather changed. He can discuss this over a call and get his prescription on the phone. If there's a more serious health issue, he can go and see a doctor in person. But what is most important is that Yatish always has this fear at the back of his mind. What if, there's a serious health issue which requires hospitalization? Where do I go? How do I fund the expense? So as part of our subscription, he gets access to more than 6,000 hospitals where he can simply show his app and get a cashless hospitalization benefit. What we have done is that we have married full stack primary health care along with financial risk protection as a subscription, where with as little as 250 rupees a month, a family can get unlimited consults with a family doctor, whether over call or in person. They can get some savings on diagnostics and pharmacy through our partnerships. But most importantly, they get financial protection which prevents devastating medical expenses, which could really ruin a family. Now, how this works is that if you see why insurance claims happen, especially in health, they fall on 3 accounts: accidents and injuries, acute illnesses, and chronic illnesses. There's no real way of preventing accidents and injuries, but when it comes to acute illnesses, by creating this mindset that, we have a care team which is available for you, which is there at your service at the click of a button, all that you have to do is reach out. By doing this, when our people reach us early, we are able to intervene early and we are able to prevent progression of disease. And when it comes to chronic illnesses, all that we are doing is we are providing the tools and the information that they need to manage their health so that they can stay healthy. What this does at a portfolio level is that it reduces cost for the entire ecosystem, and in an industry where for every 100 rupees of premium that was collected last year, 108 rupees was paid out as claims, our portfolio delivered a healthy underwriting profit to the insurer, which means that this portfolio is a sustainable portfolio. Now, we are blessed to be serving more than 30,000 families like that of Yatish, and we have touched more than 2 lakh lives till date, and some very marquee companies prefer to work with us. Now, what makes this possible and why now is because now is when we have the right policy environment, the right market conditions, and the infrastructure. Without something like Jio, right, this could not have been possible as a technology platform. Now, the team behind this is a bunch of motivated individuals who are on a mission to change how 1/6 of humanity experiences healthcare.